Okay, hey everyone. Um, Welcome to oh, another attempt at trying to get Ray working on my cluster. Which right now the main thing is that we're running a mixed ARM x86 cluster, and so that is all kinds of fun. Oof. It looks like my face is super red in this camera. Uh, might try and fix the lighting, but I'll do that after we get started. So let's go ahead. Terminal. Oh yeah, here I was trying to figure out how much it would cost to get lifetime Hilton status, and the answer is a lot. I have 21,000 to spare for that. Okay, so on that note, what was I doing? Okay, yeah, so we left off with TensorFlow not really installing uh, well on ARM64. Yeah, so Um, it's a good question. So what we're gonna do here is uh, I am so we took TensorFlow out, and so what we can do here, do, do, uh, TensorFlow. Okay, so uh, here's the question: TensorFlow ARM 64 wheel. Uh, whew. Oh, okay, cool. So it looks like there's, let's go to the home page of this project. Okay, that does not exist. Uh, TensorFlow ARM64 GPU. Okay. I would like to get, yeah, here we go. So this is probably, uh, well, hmm. Uh, I guess we'll do this. Oh, I had to use a patch to get it building. Yeah, that makes sense. Um, which patch did you use? Uh, if you don't mind sharing. Because otherwise I can I'll just do this one. Um, here's a patch. Uh, oh fuck yeah! Thank you. That's awesome. Oh, that link didn't work for me. Oh, here we go. Okay, cool. There we go. Thank you very much. Uh, okay, so here we go. Um, Okay. So, I guess we'll. So I'll need to install Bazel. Oh yeah. Okay, that's legit. Let's make some notes. For myself. Note. There's a patch for TF 231 on ARM64 CPU. Since we're on the NVIDIA hardware, we can also try. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with the NVIDIA one because it's like pre-built. Looks like. Yes. Ooh. This is quickly becoming very difficult to read, which is the joys of writing shell scripts inside of Docker files. That's all right. Thanks for the thing, the patch. Okay. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's not a winter hat though.
No, but like, I kind of fucked the brim up and then tried to fix it.
Oh no, it's still cute.
It's fucked up.
It's still cute.
But you can't see where it's fucked up. Cool.
No, you're good. You're good.
I love you.
Hey, Snug, I love you. Okay, we're gonna try installing for now. TensorFlow. From here. Don't know how this is gonna go. But we will find out. So we also want to install all of this stuff. Okay. Let's see if this works. I don't know. It's going to take a little bit of time. While this is kicking off, I am going to grab my phone so I can adjust the light balance. At least I think I'm gonna. That's probably in. There we go. Oh, cool, and it failed. Okay, unknown instruction and end. Okay. Well. We'll do this. We'll break these into two separate commands so that way it can get cached separately and we won't redo. Yeah, okay. It failed again too. Okay. Oh, okay. Can adjust the lighting using my magic phone. Okay, yes, Holden, I would like to enable the live streaming one. Okay, it'll look pretty red, but that's okay. Let's hope this works. And this should give us the happy GPU one, I think. Right? Kinda, actually, I'm lazy. Wait, did I? Okay, where's the... Here we go. And TensorFlow dash GPU? Okay, that did not succeed. Not overly surprising. Okay. Okay, so... Unexpected end of file. Okay, so... Oh, yeah, I fucked up. My bracket balancing. Cool. Oh, cool. That's useful. Okay. So this should, in theory... Okay. We're gonna do this separately as well. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, what are we doing? This is the autoscaler part, so we're up here. Do do do. Yeah. Okay, cool. These packages don't... Oh, shit. Probably an apt-get update. Oh, hello. Hi, more friends. Oh, yeah. Let me add a note. To do. Holden. It is maybe not the... Yes, sure. We could say it's the best part. At the very least, mm, it's something to do that I don't have to think too hard about, but it's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. Okay, well, okay. So the apt-get update, I think that did the trick for that part because we've got the AMD 64 one running thing. Uh, yeah, it was. I mean, it was a Mamba install. So it was coming from Conda. So let's go check Anaconda. See what version of TensorFlow is present. On Anaconda. Wait, what? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, I'm confused a little bit. Oh yeah, so that is okay, cool. Yeah, let's see what happens on the ARM64 one. And yeah, if it doesn't do its thing out of the box, we'll hard code the version. Oh yeah, so there's the ARM64 build here, and there's the AMD64 build here. So we're building a multi-architecture container. So because I've got yeah. Anyways, because I've got a cluster with a mixture of machines. And to be fair, like I really just have one x86 machine. Uh so it's more just like yeah, AMD 64, ARM 64 look pretty similar. Yeah, actually, and so we can go over here and we can see what's happening on the ARM machine that's doing this build. So right now, yeah. So right now it's installing this stuff. It looks like, yeah, and that's yeah, so it's not yet installing TensorFlow. It's installing all of the packages that for some reason wants us to install manually. But that's all right. It's all right. So I think it's running this line right now. It looks like, yeah. And then we'll see about the TensorFlow one. That's probably, it's going to fail. My guess is it's going to fail there. But that's okay. That is okay. I'm going to put on some music. Because I like having... Rockin'. Installing backend dependencies, still running. Of course. Now. Oh, cool. At the very least, we're pegging all of the cores, so that's nice. It's a good question. I mean, the Jetson boards have GPUs, like NVIDIA GPUs on them. And I do actually have some Raspberry Pis in this cluster too. Um, so the GPU stuff will hopefully just not work on them. And it'll detect that and just default back to CPU. But I don't know. I'm just guessing. Um, and I've got a mixture of different Jetson boards. I've got this is a Nano, and then I've also got some AGXs. So let's go ahead. So let's go ahead. Can't spell for shit. Ooh. Okay. SSH. So I've got these. Yeah, and so there's a fair amount more memory, and but the same number of cores as the Jetson Nano, and I think it's just mostly the GPU and memory that changes between the two of them. I probably really should be using one of the Xaviers to do the build, but I set it up with the Nano, and I'm lazy. I don't. Once I set it up, okay. Yeah. Okay. Well. Okay. Let's. Hope this. Yeah. I mean, so we're not even building TensorFlow from source yet. Right? Like, I think we're building NumPy from source right now. So that's cool. Uh, I guess we could do. We could simplify this a little bit. Well, for values to simplify, which are okay. Okay, yes. NumPy. NumPy, I don't. NumPy and Skippy. That's what my friend used to call them. Okay, Arch64, great. grpcio, I'm pretty sure that one is the one which I can't install. Or, yeah, not yet. Okay. Okay. This should be cross-compiled for ARM. Yeah. Requests. Yeah. Master. Something tells me proto buff. Probably not Conda Forge for ARM, but I hope I'm wrong. I am. I don't know what Google Pasta is. Okay. It's no arch anyways. Keras applications. Okay. Let's see if it's failed yet. Nope. Although, honestly, part of me wants to just kill it and rerun it. I'm gonna do that. No particular point in compiling numpy from source when we can get a wheel if we install it with Conda. So, there we go. Okay. The authentic waiting experience of software development. So much fun. Oh, I should update this to say part 3. Yeah, it's true. But I'm okay with that trade-off for NumPy, I think. Especially because I want this to gracefully fall back, so I don't want to compile it for like the Jetson Nano ARM CPU specifically. I just want it to work on any of the ARM64 CPUs. I'm okay with the GPU stuff being specific because that'll just fall back, but I'd rather not strongly tie the ARM stuff, I think. Maybe I'm being silly though. Okay, what are we doing? Okay. So this is less packages, and so hopefully this will go faster. I don't know. Oh yeah. That's true. Hmm. Uh, let's add a note. Oh, CFTF. gives us a warning. So TensorFlow itself is going to be compiled, right? Like we're still pip installing uh, TensorFlow for, I mean, not for the x86 one, but we're still doing that for the NVIDIA one, or for the ARM one. So that should be compiled from source, but we'll see. But like, yeah, NumPy and SciPy. Uh, Optimizations, if we set cpp slash c flags appropriately, but for now, I want this to build. Okay, cool. That's a note to remember to look at it, because yeah, we'll come back to it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Hmm. Why is gRPCIO taking so long to install? It's kind of not what I was expecting to be the slow part. The AMD64 one's done, then that makes sense. But why is GRP? I guess maybe gRPCIO is just really slow. Okay. Oh, that's legit. Do it's probably gonna run very, very slowly. Uh, let's let's hope it works. I really hope it works. I really hope that we get the nice NVIDIA wheel, and if we don't, we'll stop and we'll come back to it. Um, and specify the version as you mentioned, so that we get the NVIDIA wheel, and we're not having to compile it from source. Do. How is this taking so long? Oh yeah, no. Building it from source on this would not be a success. There's 4 gigs of RAM on this board. We would yes, no, no, it would be bad. Well, this is going to take a little bit of time. So, I am going to see if Timbit wants to go outside and play. So we'll switch over to Timbit Cam. Timbit! buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. Hey, buddy. Timbit. Hey, Timbit, come on. See the ball? See the ball? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, brave defender. Brave defender. Let's go back upstairs and see how things are going, okay, buddy? So you do not seem to be super into chasing the ball today. Yeah, okay, whatever. Come on, let's go upstairs. Well, we'll just get... Come on, buddy. Yeah! What a good boy. What a good boy. In we go. Good boy. Thanks for joining. And yeah. Oh, cool. It looks like we timed it just right. Got back and it failed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna specify TensorFlow 2311. I'm gonna do a little bit of reworking on this. The other thing that I want to do here install from source. Let's cache it. Let's do it as a separate stage so it can be cached on rerun. Okay. This is gonna take forever again, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna work out okay. I think. I love this music. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go pee really quickly. I will be right back. Uh, it doesn't have to be used for its intended purpose for it to still be useful, right? Okay. How we doing? Let's take a look. Okay. Huh. Let's hope this makes some progress. Huh. So. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. It's a little loud. Okay. So I think I'm hoping that by moving grpcio into its own phase, we can iterate more quickly. Time, time will tell, of course. Of course, of course. Uh, this is gonna take a while. Do, do, do. Oh, damn it. Where did I put my phone again? Oh, here it is. Okay. Holy fuck, this is slow. Um, you know what? This is really, really slow. I'm frustrated with this being so slow. Let's see if we can try and make oh cool. Thoughts on escaping the golden handcuffs of Fang. That's legit. I currently am at one of Fang, right? So I like money. I think it's a lot easier to escape the golden handcuffs of Fang. Um, if you're willing to not live in San Francisco. Uh, for me, a lot of why I feel a little bit stuck at Fang is it's like it's really expensive to live here. Um, I don't know. It's weird. I think I think there's a lot of really great work at those companies, but at the end of the day, if you don't like your work, it's not fucking worth it. As far as what the setup is, that I can bring up fairly easily. That is over at scaling Python ML, and so it's over here. Oh no, this is installing it. Building the test cluster. Here we go. So this is what the physical yeah, this is what the setup is. So it's some Raspberry Pi 4Bs, Jetson Nano, 3 Jetson AGX Xaviers, and I have one small refurbished x86 in the cluster. Most of the storage is some inexpensive on sale external SSD drives, and I've brought them all together using Rook on Ceph. Um, and so I think it's kind of neat. I like it. I'm soon going to. Well, I haven't decided yet. The other thing that I keep looking at and debating about whether or not I want to add it to the cluster or not is Raspberry Pi Turing cluster board. And like I mean, this actually looks kind of cool. And so I'm thinking about getting one of these once they're available for sale. Just because I think it would be nice. The Turing Pi 1, the trick is it's out of stock. Yeah. I can get a lot of cores, but let's go find memory. No, it's not here. So the problem is that it uses the Uh, high compute 3. And so the Pi Compute 3 modules only have a gig of RAM, right? And that's the thing, that's not a lot of memory for my purposes. And so I keep thinking about adding a bunch of these to my cluster, but I think realistically it's probably better to wait for the the uh, the fancy version of uh, yeah, because I like memory, and more specifically like a lot of the stuff that I'm doing, right? Like all of this stuff needs more than like a gig of memory to really party, and so with the overhead of containerd, I really think probably 4 gig nodes is the smallest that I really want to make the nodes, and I'd rather so once the uh, high compute or cluster board thing comes out, I'll probably add some of those because I think that would be fun. But like if you're doing something where you don't need a lot of memory and you just want a bunch of nodes, I think this is really cool. I think it's the Turing Pi stuff is pretty neat. Um, I wish the Compute 3 modules had more RAM so I could use them for my purposes, but it's okay. Uh, okay, still building gRPCIO. Damn, this is slow. Yeah, I think about it too. Especially now that I have a green card. Like it's probably the first time. Like I have a green card. I like. I mean, I still need health insurance because this is America, but like, I don't know. I feel less tied down to my work. Uh, but yeah, I really, I don't know. San Francisco is the one place that feels like home, so I'll probably keep doing stuff that lets me stay here. But we'll see. Um, and I think that how do I say this? I don't know. Like I've wondered some days about like doing a startup as a co-founder, but like it feels like I don't have the energy for that right now. Like I I'm not like an 80-hour work week kind of person. Like I've done that before. Not as a co-founder, just as an early employee, and like I was not happy with that job. Like that job really sucked. Mm, but then anyway, I don't know. It's hard to figure out what to do in life. Oh God, we're still building gRPCIO. Oh. Mhm. Okay, cool. Cool. So we did install gRPCIO, and now it's gonna go ahead and install a bunch of random stuff. But um weird. Weird. Can't find TensorFlow 231 even looking here. But I was like 90% sure there was a TensorFlow 231. What? Okay, we go here. Yes, TensorFlow. 2.3.1. Oh, what? Maybe I have to do. Oh, okay. I wrote a let's go take a look at what they tell people to do here. The NVIDIA hardware. Okay. Okay. I have to go. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. 120.12, I guess. Okay. Let's try that. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully this is gonna go faster, cause yeah, I think we're gonna get more cache stages, and that's yeah. So the gRPC IO stage is cached, and that's awesome because I don't want to. Weird. Huh. What? Wait, what? I'm super confused now. Super confused. Super confused. Take a look. Okay. It's right there though. Uh, right? Like it's right there. Okay, let's try 20.11. Yeah, let's try 2.1. Yes. Yes. Huh. Hmm. I think I'm gonna break this out into a separate run just so it's cached and huh. Yeah, weird. Okay, so TensorFlow, NVIDIA, Jetson, Docker. Okay. Uh, huh. Okay. Uh, don't. Uh, huh. Mm, e- Huh. Let's go take- Uh, e- hmm. Not super useful. Okay. Don't. No, not what I want. Okay. Is these. Hmm. I guess I could just download the wheel. That's a good point. Uh. Yeah. So, doing this. Okay. So, okay. Um, okay. TF wheel. Okay. So, we're just gonna go to town on factoring stuff out because I don't. Okay. Uh, hmm, hmm. What is pi bind 11? I don't. Ah. Okay. let's leave it at the Pykuda for now, actually, and then here. Let's run this in verbose mode. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Left off the trailing slash. Mhm. Mm. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. So I ran Wooget, and then I got permission denied. That's confusing. Uh, let's put it in the temp directory. Okay. Oh. Wait, is this? I should have done dash Q. Okay. Let's do this again. Interesting. Okay, so this is failing because we're running on. Wait, what? Yeah, because. Wait, what? Wait, what? Uh. Hmm. Okay, I guess maybe Mamba installing it is not a party. Um. Hmm. Wait, which? Okay, okay. So I think I need to do an architecture one here. That part kind of sucks. That's fine. Oh, yeah. Okay. So actually, yeah. Okay, okay. Uh, base, maybe. Okay. Base depth Docker file. Okay, so okay, so if we're on ARM64, we're gonna go ahead and run this one.
Isn't this better than other bees? Isn't this better? I'm gonna throw this away. Oh gosh, I don't know if this is mine or yours, but if he eats one of these, he will poop. Oh my god. Bentley ate one? Oh my god. Bentley ate a tube of Clinique lotion, and my mom got really mad at me. It was like $40. No, bitches.
So many poops. So many poops. Snuggle, I love you. Did they ever ship it? Okay. Cool. Let's hope this. So what we've done is yeah, doot doot doot. Oh, let's hope this works. So what we've got going on is that depending on the architecture, for an ARM64 we'll install the Jetson one. Okay, cool. Not unexpected. Okay. don't remember how to do if-else statements in Bash, so we are going to take a look. Yeah. Oh, maybe I need to... Let's see if that does the trick. Do-do-do. Okay. Unexpected token near semicolon. That's not the most useful, because there's rather a lot of those. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at... do I need a then after else? I don't think so. Okay. Okay, well, let's, let's get rid of the else as a starting point. Okay. So it is the else. I guess. Huh. So, I guess. Try rerunning it. Else back in. Maybe it was the that doesn't seem likely though. Okay, let's go hi. Oh, okay. I guess there's no semicolon after the else. That's cool. Sounds like a party. Let's hope this works. Oh shit, it's already 1:30. Damn. Hey, yeah, that's looking promising. Uh, hmm. Okay, this is actually looking pretty promising. Uh, uh, yeah, so we are building the ray depths. Yeah, that's the one we're building. I'm confused why this didn't get a cache hit though. Um, oh yeah, okay. No, that makes sense. Uh, or wait, no, the apt-get update. Oh, damn it. It's gonna build grpcio from source again. Uh, mm, this is gonna take a while, this build step. We learned that the hard way. The other time, yeah. Hmm. Okay, it sounds like Timbit wants to go outside, and we are at an excellent time to try that with him because this build is going to take forever. So let's do that. Let's take Timbit outside, activating the Timbit camera. Timbit cam activated. See if you want to play fetch. Oh. Okay. Good boy! What a good boy. Come on, all the way. All the way. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, hey, Moku. Oh, hey.
How's it going?
It's good. Playing fetch with Timbit. Although now I think his interest is probably focused on
Cool. Well, we're gonna go for like a hike or something.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah. Hi.
Aww. He likes it when he gets to see people other than me and Carolyn.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Which, I mean, it's like new stimulation.
Yeah, it's boring being a dog these days, although pretty nice too, I guess.
Alright, you ready? Alright, so we're gonna head out of here.
Come on, Timbit. Hey,
Moku.
buddy. Timbit.
Moku.
Come on.
Moku.
Sit.
Moku.
Down.
Nice.
Good boy.
Come here.
Good boy. Okay. Ah, God damn it, Timbit. Sorry. Good boy. I love you, Timbit. I do. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Okay, come on. Let's go and check out. Come on, buddy. Hey. Hey, Timbit. You wanna go get it? Yeah, good boy. Come on, buddy. Timbit, come on. You gotta bring it back to me, otherwise. Timbit. Hey, Timbit. I got a prize for you. You gotta sit though. Down, down. Good boy. Let's practice roll over. Down. Okay, do you not remember? Do you not remember roll? Yeah, good boy, good roll. Good roll. What a good boy you are. still building gRPC IO. Between us. Here we go. It's still building. So slow. So slow. That's okay. That's okay. We'll give it a bit more time. Oh. Ah. Mhm. Why is this so slow? Ah. Ah. Mm. Mm. This is going to take a long time. Mhm. Oh. Let's go back here. Okay, yeah. Three, 1, 2, 3, minus. Yes. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Kind of ridiculous amount of money. For lifetime health and diamond status. Okay. Ah. Hmm. Ah. Okay, this is really fucking slow. That's okay. You just, I want this, I wish it had a cache hit. Um, but I guess I changed something I forgot about. So we broke the cache. I don't, that's probably some auto format thing. Oh, I changed the indentation without thinking about it. Damn it. Oh well. That's life, I suppose. That is life. I really hope that we can build the containers before this gets up to 2 hours. God damn it. So this is the weird thing. Because the architecture should be equal to ARM64, but it went down the else path, so that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Whatever. Let's try this. Right? Name minus M. Yeah, it's the architecture. And hopefully, the gRPCIO is all cached, and we don't have to deal with... Okay, cool. Yeah. Anything funky. So let's hope that's the case. Great. Okay. That's fine. Except I don't necessarily think that this actually installed TensorFlow. Oh yeah, I think Rust is pretty cool. I haven't gotten a chance to play with it, but I think it's cool. Huh. So, then... Okay. So, this is the question. Why is my else statement not working the way that I thought it would? Yeah, I think like I think Rust has a lot of room for growth. I think it's yeah, yeah. Mhm. Okay. So this is the thing. You were saying that the architecture is Arch64, and then this is not evaluating to true. Oh, that's my bad. Huh. Although that does. I'm curious. What is in this directory? Forage, mini forage. To releases. Where's releases? 25. Ah, they have it. They okay. Oh yeah. I mean, Scala is tied to the JVM, in that it has a lot of pluses and it also has a lot of minuses. And so I think there could be some limitations that we get because of that. Okay. There we go. So, yes, now let's go back. Uh, okay, so guess I don't super know why this isn't working. But we'll do the wget thing that we were doing before. we'll set our TensorFlow wheel to be okay. Okay, let's see if this thing works. I really hope it does. Looks like it did. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay, then. So that means that we got the base steps package working, although we changed a lot more stuff than I was really expecting to have to change. Which is fine. Uh, but that's good. And it looks like we might actually finish on the 2-hour mark if we're lucky. So let's hope this does the trick. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, weird. Why is it uninstalling AIO HTTP? Huh. That's, hmm. Okay, yeah, so this is gonna take a little bit of time to compile on ARM, but I'm optimistic that we might succeed here. It's not for sure, but like I think there's a good chance. Do, do, do. I don't know what the build dependencies are. If I knew what they were, we could probably install them with Mamba. Let's take a look at what OpenCV Python headless needs to build. Maybe we can speed it up. Yeah. Yes, that's fine. Um, Okay. Um. Hmm. I think we could just do OpenCV, provided it's built for Arch64. Yep. So we'll go ahead and we will put this down here. So that should simplify matters for next time. I think. Yeah, I don't I don't know for sure if Ray is better or not. I know that there's upsides and downsides to each of them. And for example, like Ray has a much richer programming model, I'd say. Same thing as Dask. But um, it 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 lacks some of the same stability that I've found in Spark, and even Spark doesn't have great stability. I would say in terms of like its fault tolerance and fault recovery, which to me I think is super important for where we're going. And I could be wrong here. Like don't I don't know for sure, but like I think that there's, but I mean that's sort of essentially part of the point. Like I think that there are going to be things that Ray and Dask and Spark are each uniquely good at, and that's part of what I'm doing. Is I'm trying to get an environment set up where I can explore these different tools, come up with what's best, and then maybe steal some best practices from the different tools to each other to make them all better, but also gain a better understanding of when things are the right tool for the job. So I got bored of waiting for OpenCV to build, so I decided that I'd rerun this with Mamba, and it looks like it's going to rerun everything. So I'm gonna call it a break time here because we are at the 2 hour mark, and we've got TensorFlow installed. That's sort of the big thing. So I suspect that at least the Ray depths container is gonna build successfully. The Ray container itself may build successfully with the changes that we've made here, but it may need more changes itself too, and I'll come back and deal with it then. So I want to thank you all for joining me. You know, it's a lot more fun when there's people in the chat, and so thanks to everyone for chatting. And I'll come back and sort of keep trying to get the software to install properly. This afternoon. Actually, I guess it already is afternoon. I guess tomorrow afternoon, we'll try and get that working. And that should be good. So I hope y'all are having some holiday time. I know that for me, my work isn't on holiday time just yet, but I hope it's soon for you, or you're already on holiday time and having a good holiday as possible, given the world that we're in. So.